In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily stop your phone contacts from finding you on Snapchat. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to open up Snapchat app and then tap right here at our profile picture to go right there. From here, we need to tap at that gear to go to settings. On settings, just scroll down until you find Contact Me. That's where we can switch it from friends and contacts just to friends to stop our phone contacts from finding us on Snapchat. And it also makes your contacts no longer be able to show up in your chat tab. To continue, hit OK. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.